It comes as well after new measures have also been introduced across Europe. With a look at the situation in southern Europe in this half hour, here's Seema Gupta and first of all, Sarah Morris.
Since Spain's national lockdown ended more than 3 months ago, it's become the task of regional governments to introduce measures to tackle COVID-19. They've introduced the obligatory wearing of face masks in shops, on the street and in public buildings. They've also closed down nightclubs and they've introduced partial lockdowns where clusters have broken out. Madrid has become the latest regional government to introduce a partial lockdown. They've chosen neighbourhoods where more than 1 in 100 residents has COVID-19.
Here in Italy, officials are reporting an average of about 1,500 or so new infections each day. Now, that's nowhere near the peak figures we saw at the height of the pandemic, but it's definitely higher than the rates we were looking at back in July. Of particular concern as well is the increase in admissions to intensive care units in hospitals. Now, since mid-August, all people arriving from Greece, Spain, Malta, as well as Croatia are tested on arrival for COVID-19 when they reach Italian shores. Now, that list has been extended this week to include 7 French regions, including Paris. Italy's health minister has said that while Italy is doing slightly better than some other European countries, now is the time to remain prudent to ensure that the sacrifices that were made by Italians are not made in vain. Masks are still very much required here indoors, and since most schools have opened in mid-September, all students over the age of 6 need to wear a mask, especially in situations at school where they cannot ensure effective social distancing.